Hi, this is your teacher, Paul. In this video, I'm going to talk about chicken and cooking chicken. I have a 3.5-pound package of chicken. It's one chicken that's cut up into 8 pieces. How much chicken is in the package? There are 3.5 pounds of chicken in the package. How many pieces of chicken are in the package? There are 8 pieces of chicken in the package. This is a whole chicken cut up into 8 pieces. These two are the chicken breasts. There are 2 chicken breasts. This is where the white meat comes from. There are 2 thighs. This is where the dark meat comes from. There are 2 wings. There is both dark and a little bit of white meat from the wings. And these are called drumsticks. This produces dark meat. So I'm going to bake this chicken and use it in a couple of different recipes. This will be a very simple preparation. The first thing I'm going to do is put salt on the chicken. I'm using a kosher salt. So I'm just putting salt onto the chicken, and then once the chicken is covered with salt, I'll let it sit in the refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours. First, I pour a little bit of olive oil into a frying pan. I'm going to sear the outside of the chicken before I put it in a dish for roasting the chicken in the oven. This will take just 3 to 4 minutes per side. You can hear the chicken sizzling in the pan. I'm going to turn the chicken over. Each piece has cooked for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm slicing the onion. So I'll place the chicken on top of these onions. Now that the skin has been seared, this helps to keep the juices inside the chicken. The chicken will go into a preheated oven. This is preheated to 375 degrees. And I'll let it roast in here for about 35 to 40 minutes. It's been over 40 minutes, so I'm going to take the chicken out. I took the smaller pieces out a little earlier because they don't need as much time to cook. But this is what it looks like, and these should be finished. I just need to check the temperature of the chicken with this thermometer. It should be at about 165 degrees on the inside. And there it is. It's actually at about 170 degrees. So these are finished. Now I'll let this cool, and I can use this chicken in a few different recipes. I can eat it as it is, or I can use it as an ingredient in something else.